Chemicals, part of our everyday lives. We use them so much, in the home and in the garden, that we've come to take them for granted. But chemicals can be harmful if not used and stored correctly. The federal government announced the Consumer Labeling Initiative in 1996 after extensive research. It's taken the mystery out of reading labels. A campaign called Read the Label First is specifically aimed at educating consumers. Companies that sell over 90% of the pesticides and household cleaners in the country are in the program. They've simplified the language and formats on their labels. One look at these old and new labels shows how the campaign works. The new label is simpler to read, first aid instructions are easier to find, and ingredients are listed by their common names. There's even a toll-free number for information about the product.
Our companies are able to come into this process working with state agencies, federal agencies, and others to find better ways to create labels that are understandable to consumers. We want the consumers to read the label, follow the label, and apply the product accordingly, and that's been the result of this program.
We're seeing better safety, both for protection of children as well as pets and the environment. Overall, we're seeing just a tremendous improvement in the use of these products.
Consumers can also save money and achieve better results by using products correctly after reading the label. For instance, a disinfectant that is sprayed on a counter and swiped immediately will only clean the surface. To disinfect it, the product has to remain on the counter for 10 minutes before being wiped off.
This is a real win-win situation for the American people. It's a win situation for industry. It's a win situation for consumer groups. It's a win situation for those of us that regulate.
With increased consumer education, chemical products can be used correctly. Families and their pets can be safer, and the environment can be better protected.